Okay, dear students, welcome to all of you. Today we are going to study about the light sensors or light transducers. These are used to convert the light energy into the electrical energy. So we can say that light sensors are the photoelectric devices that convert light energy into the electrical energy. Some basic terminologies that are important. We will see that lumen, it measures the total amount of visible light from a light source through the relationship between the luminous intensity and the angle that a light beam fills, commonly used to rate the brightness of the light bulb. तो जो हमारा जो सोर्स है उससे कितनी लाइट हमारी फॉल हो रही है, दैट इज इंडिकेटेड बाय लूमेन. And lux is the another terminology that is used to measure the luminescence, the area where the luminous flux is spread. It is similar to the lumen, but it takes into account the surface area. We can understand this by this diagram. Here, the lumens, how much light is emitted by a light source, is indicated by this, and second term, that is the lux, is indicated by how much light is fall on the surface area. So here, as we are seeing, here is the darkness, here is the more light is visible, then it is the has the more lux and it has the less lux. So there can be several type of the light sensors. We can divide in basically three type, like the photoresistor, photodiode, and phototransistor. First, we are seeing the photoresistor or LDR. LDR full form is the light dependent light dependent resistors. So as shown here, it is the basic structure of the LDR. ये हमारे LDRs हैं जो कि एक रेजिस्टिव एलिमेंट की तरह होते हैं. Most common light sensor type that used in a light sensor circuit are photoresistors, also known as LDR. Photoresistors are used to simply detect whether a light is on or off and compare relative light level throughout the day. When the light falls, the materials which is used for the LDR is the high resistance semiconductor material called cadmium sulfide cell, CDS, or we can say CDS. Highly sensitive to visible and near infrared light, can be used as a material of the photoresistors. Then how the photoresistors work: when the light falls, then the resistance will decrease as the intensity of the light will increase, as shown in the curve. Then resistance will decrease. Here, when the intensity is lesser, then at the night time the intensity is very lesser, the resistance is very high. But as the daytime or sunny day, as the intensity is decreases, as the intensity is increases, then in that condition the resistance will decrease. So high intensity of light causes a low resistance between the cadmium sulfide cell. The low intensity of light result in a higher resistance between the cadmium sulfide cell. In this manner, when in a circuit, The resistance will be lower, then current will fall and it will operate the some device like the street light, burglar alarm, morning alarm. We use the such type of LDR circuits. Another important light emitting device is the photodiode. It is like a PN junction diode that consumes light energy to produce the electric current. Sometimes it is also called as the photodetector. So, photodiode, other name is also the photodetector. It is also called the photodetector or a photosensor. These diodes are designed to work in reverse bias condition when the P side of the photodiode is associated with the negative terminal of the battery and N side with the positive terminal of the battery. Suppose it is the PN junction, and if we connect the like this, P side is connected to the negative terminal and N side to the positive terminal of the battery. This diode is very complex to light, so when light falls on the diode, it easily changes light into electric current. It is the basic structure of the photodiode symbol. The light falls, then current will flow. Types of the there can be the PN photodiode, Scotty photodiode, pin photodiode, avalanche photodiode. You can remember only the name of the such type of the photodiode. These diodes are widely used in the applications where detection of the presence of light, color, position, intensity is required. The some features of these diodes are the linearity of the diode is good with respect to the incident light. Noise is low. The response is wide spectral. Spectral means such type of the peak response are obtained rugged mechanically, lightweight and compact and long life. These are the some features. If we see the VI characteristics of the photodiode, and it is the VI characteristics of the photodiode, it shows on the x-axis the reverse voltage and on the y-axis the reverse current in microampere. As the reverse voltage increases, the current also increases. Current है वो हमारा वो भी बढ़ जाता है. Applications, there can be several applications like the smoke detector, VCR, televisions, intensity of light in science and industry. They have an enhanced, more linear response than photoconductors. Photodiodes are also widely used in numerous medical applications, analyzing detectors, etc., tomography. So they can be used in the different purpose like the in tomography our brain different images are observed at the different place. Here we use the photo detector and light optical light is fall, and here we detect the what is the voltage level by the photodiode. These diodes are much faster and more complex than normal PN junction diode, and hence the frequently used for light regulation in optical communication. Then third one is the phototransistor. Phototransistor is also important device that is a optical device capable of converting light into the electrical energy. These works in a similar way to photoregister, commonly known as LDR, but are able to produce both current and voltage, while the photoregister are only capable of producing current due to change in resistance. The structure of the phototransistor is specially optimized for photo applications. It is the basic structure of the phototransistor. The characteristics of the phototransistors are low cost visible and near infra IR photo detection, available with gain from 100 to 1500, moderately fast response time. Phototransistor circuit, if we see the phototransistor circuit, A phototransistor works just like a normal transistor where the base current is multiplied to give the collector current, except that in phototransistors. So it multiply the current, or it is the basic structure of the phototransistor. It contains the three terminal, like it is the base terminal, it is the collector terminal, like the ट्रांजिस्टर की तरह जो ट्रांजिस्टर में तीन टर्मिनल होते हैं, and it is the emitter terminal. When light falls, and due to which current will flow and output voltage is obtained. Some advantage of the phototransistors are have the several important advantages that separate them from another optical sensor. Some of them are: phototransistor produce high current than photodiode. Phototransistors are relatively inexpensive, simple, and small enough to fit several of them onto a single integrated computer chip, produce a voltage that photoresistor cannot do so. There are some disadvantages of the phototransistors that are the made of silicon, are not capable of handling voltage over 1000 volt. Some surge and spikes that cannot be handled, and phototransistors are also do not allow electrons to move as freely as other devices. To such an some applications, if we see the applications of phototransistors, like the some areas where the we can use the phototransistor punch card reader, security system, IR detector, electric control, computer logic circuitry, relays, light control, level indication. In some places we can use the phototransistor. In this way, we have seen the three type of the photo light emitting sensors. Light sensors like the LDR. First is the LDR, light dependent resistor, photodiode, and phototransistors. Thank you very much.